Good morning, everyone. Mr. Allen here for our shout out assembly. It's Friday, the 8th of October, 2021, and we're here to celebrate all those children in year 3, year 4, year 5, and year 6 who have just been amazing and deserve a proper shout out this morning. So let's kick off without further ado. Look at these fantastic history work about the Stone Age. Look at these year 3s, amazing. So we've got Tyler, we've got Esme, we've got Nala, we've got Sky, Marley, and Olivia. Oh, you absolute superstars. And I know I've seen these guys as well. I've seen that work. It's astonishing. They've even earned themselves some house points doing it. So really well done on that. The history work. It's fantastic to see you working as historians. So really well done. Come on, stand up. Let's all give you a massive cheer in class as well. Really proud of you guys, and you should be proud of yourselves as well. Huge shout out to you. Keep it up, you superstars. Moving on, look at Mr. Pinner and Mrs. Cookstars for always being on task in class. For always being on task. Amazing. Cece, Luke, Gino, Charlie, Michael, Perla, Gabby, Muntaha, Oliver, Rion, Mia May, Esme, and Daria. Well done, guys. Come on, stand up. Stand up. Give yourselves a pat on the back while everyone else gives you a massive cheer. Really well done there, guys, because actually that is phenomenal. If you guys are on task all the time, you just make everyone's job much, much easier. So really well done, and a massive cheer to you. Keep it up. Thank you, guys. Here we go. Look at these as well. Completing tasks to the best of their ability. Absolutely. Look at these. And I've seen quite a few of them actually this week. I really have. It's been fantastic to see these children. So you've got Baron, you've got Savannah, you've got Angel, Tia, Lexi, Jayla, Marshall, Milana, Thea, Joseph, Heather, Pandora, and Millie. Stand up, guys. Come on. Give yourselves a pat on the back and let's give them a massive cheer. Really, really well done, guys. And just keep working as hard as you possibly can, because that's all we are asking for. Well done. Thank you. Look at these. Look at Miss White's quiet working and getting started right away. Amazing. Brilliant. So we've got Milana, we've got Eva, we've got Aaliyah, we've got Alfie Jack, we've got Oscar, Emily Ann, Tyler, Jakisha, Mia, Mahir, Esme, Lola, and Bailey. All working so hard. Really well done. You see Miss Matthews in some of those shots as well. Look at her. Head down and working so hard as well. Little shout out for Miss Matthews there as well. Brilliant work, guys. Really proud of you. Keep up that working straight away, because it's fantastic to. It just makes Miss White's job so much easier. Really well done. Stand up. Let's give you a massive round of applause and give yourselves a good old pat on the back. Well done, you year 4s. Proud of you all. Moving on, look at this. Boomtastic bookworms. Look at the boomtastic bookworms at the top there. So you've got Bella, Abby, we've got Eliza, Bella, Sienna, Michael, Mia, Cameron. Certainly have. And then also that, look, we read more than 5 times every week. All of them do. They're amazing. So you've got Ruben, Oliver, Tyler, Jessica, Kieran, Alana, Cherry, and Jessica. Absolutely brilliant, guys. Really well done. I know you're reading so often because I can see how full your reading records are. Boombastic bookworms. You superstars. Come on, let's have a massive big boom in your classroom with a massive cheers for you guys. Stand up and let's give you all a massive round of applause. Keep it up, guys. Keep reading because it is brilliant to see. Well done, and thank you. Let's see, Miss Muscle White superstars. Look at these guys for producing some truly excellent work. So we've got Jack, we've got Alicia, we've got Dexter, Subhan, Dylan, and Racer. Amazing. Truly excellent, I bet. And then also here for working as hard as they can. So we've got Mia, we've got Lily, we've got Iva, Alex, Holly, and Harry. Well done, you guys. Just work as hard as you can, because that's all we are asking for. Really well done, you 6. So proud of you. And then for always being so helpful. And they really are. Amelia and Olivia. You always are so helpful, all the time. Thank you so much. Make Mr. Allen's job nice and easy as well, so it's making me smile. Really well done, guys. Stand up, all of you. Massive cheer. Well done. So proud of you. Give yourselves a pat on the back, you superstars. Look out, Mr. Davison. Now, these guys, exemplary representation of Marcos Primary School at Norwich School. At the trip this week, these guys were amazing. You think of Norwich School and the brilliantness that goes on there. Well, we shone. It's amazing. So, we've got Jessica, Joshua, Summer, Andrea, Alicia, Gracie, Bart, Logan, Brooklyn, Damien, Amber, Xavier, Ashton, Deanna, Logan, Evie, Olivia, Brooklyn, Rachel, Freya, Sophia, Fabian, Ruben, Amelia, Kieran, Joe, Oscar, Connor, Lily May, and Lily. Come on, you guys. I am so, so proud of you. Thank you. As head teacher as well, it just makes me really proud to hear some really positive feedback from that school as well. So really brilliant. So well done, guys. Very well done representing us. Give yourselves a pat on that and give yourselves a massive cheer as well. And thank you. Well done. Finally, this morning, look at this. Miss Percy shout outs to everyone who attended Dragon's Den. Excellent representatives of the school. Really were. Jessica May, Colby, Courtney, William, Martin, Amelia, Zane, Aston, Lamin, Dragos, Isabel, Diego, Nadia, Harley, Amber, Cornelius, Oliver, Janisa, Amelia, Kenzie and Josh. Thank you, Year Sixes. I'm so, so proud of you. Thank you so much for representing. Really good, amazing work there. You know, wearing that badge with pride. I'm so, so proud of you. Thank you so, so much. There it is. Thank you all, look at this, for being such excellent role models all the way through school, right the way from year 3 through to year 6. Thank you so much for setting good examples for everyone else to copy. That's all Mr. Allen can ask for. Keep doing that, please, because it just makes for a much, much better school. You absolute superstars. Listen, have a great weekend, everyone, and let's keep it up next week. And until then, bye-bye now.